Another fine vehicle offered by Russ Darrow Chrysler Jeep Dodge Kia Milwaukee.
This is a 2008 Chrysler Town & Country, the vehicle with enough space for you and yours. It has a 3.8-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include the adjustable driver pedals are another great feature. They allow you to tailor the position of the foot pedals, moving them closer and higher to perfect your control over the vehicle. A power driver's seat, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a power rear liftgate, cruise control, a CD player, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, and this vehicle has fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Get the Darrow difference today, only at Russ Darrow Chrysler Jeep Dodge Kia Milwaukee.